Hi everyone, my name is Jordan and I am a customer success manager here at GoLinks, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use GoLinks within Jira, our ticketing system. So once I have integrated Jira within the GoLinks dashboard and downloaded it, I am going to go ahead and create a ticket, which I already did, CSM for a simpler onboarding tutorial for clients. The thing that's really great about using GoLinks within Jira is that you can put GoLinks directly in the description as well as the comments. It's also really helpful because you can fix bugs faster by jumping into code directly from an issue description. You can also make project planning a breeze by embedding clickable GoLinks in the comments. So first, I'm going to add a description. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit save. When I hit save, I will refresh my screen and that will become a clickable Go link. This ticket in Jira is a variable Go link. So I have included a Go link on how to create variable Go links. For new hires that are just learning how to create these, they can click into this description and it will take them directly to this tutorial where they can see how to make those. I am also going to add a Go link in the comment. Okay, and I will hit save. I'm going to refresh again, and then that will also hyperlink. I can click into that to see the ticket that I am working on. And this is also really great because it helps you to stay agile and navigate quickly to a specific issue with variable Go links. So I'm not going to show how to create variable Go links in this video because we have a video on this on our YouTube channel, so please check that out. But because this ticket is a variable Go link, if I am on another browser or another page and I want to come back to this ticket to add some more information, I'm going to open up another tab, go/Jira/CSM Simpler, because that's the name of the ticket. And it's going to take me directly to this ticket that I have been working on. And from here, I can add more information in the description. I can add additional comments with additional Go links that are going to help to complete this task. I can also tag people in this ticket if I want them to add Go links as well. So this is a really simple overview of how to use GoLinks within Jira. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment on the video, and please check out our YouTube channel for additional videos on integrations that we offer.